Verifying your bank account on DoorDash is an important step to ensure you can receive payments for your deliveries. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app, download it from your device's App Store and create an account or log in. Step 2. Access account settings. Once you are logged in, tap on the profile icon or the menu icon in the top corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account or Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Payment Information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Add or edit bank account. If you haven't added a bank account yet, select the option to add a new bank account. If you need to edit an existing account, tap on the current bank details. Enter your bank account number and routing number accurately. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank details, DoorDash may require you to verify your account. This could involve confirming small deposits made by DoorDash into your bank account. Follow the instructions provided in the app to complete the verification process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be verified, allowing you to receive payments for your deliveries. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to DoorDash support for assistance.